IMAT 2011, question 4. Here we have a bag with 3 red balls, 3 yellow balls, and 1 green ball. We draw these balls, and then we place our hand and we pull out a red ball and a green ball. So we might delete the red ball and the green ball. They are no more inside the bag. We do not replace them. Which of the following is true? Let's see these ones one by one. At least one of the 3 next balls must be yellow. This is true because in the worst case, we pick 2 red balls and the third one must be yellow. So in order to be sure that this one is the right answer, what can we do? We can try to falsify this one. We can try to think of a case where this is not verified. So a case in which we pick 3 balls and neither of them is yellow. So we might think, let's start and pick a red ball. Then the other one must not be yellow. And then the other one must not be yellow, but this is impossible. So we check that it's impossible to pick 3 balls, neither of which is yellow. Let's check, so this one is true. Let's check the other ones. The next ball will definitely be yellow. No, we might not say. This is false because the next ball might be yellow, but it's not for sure. The next 2 balls cannot both be red. Yes, they can. Because in the bag, the remainder in the bag, there are 2 red balls left and 3 yellow balls left. The next ball could be any one of red, yellow, or green. This is false because there are no more green balls. So this is a trap. At least one of the next 3 balls must be red. No, we are able, it could be possible that we pick 3 balls and they are all yellow. The next 3 balls cannot be all red because there aren't 3 red balls, but they can be all yellow because there are 3 yellow balls.